Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. Today we're doing a quick and easy project. I think we're going to call this one Happy Mother's Day. Nope. Happy Birthday. This project came with the words Happy Mother's Day on it. We're not going to put Happy Birthday on here either. We're just going to put it in there, I love you. And this way we can just keep reusing it. We're just going to keep adding flowers to it all year round. She's probably going to take this to her desk at work and throw it on her desk at work because she has a little job that she loves going to. She's retired. I'm not demeaning her job as a woman. She has a job that she goes to as her retirement job for fun money. Actually, it's to buy yarn. So, this is a fun project. We took the words Mother's Day off. We put on I love you. This could be a great grandma-grandpa gift. This could be one where the kids could do this and show up at grandma's house with a little handful of flowers all the time, weeds from the yard, and make this fresh every time they come and see grandma and grandpa, or something that the dad can do and take flowers into mom and make fresh flowers for mom all the time from the kids. This is an amazing showing up with the girlfriend. This is an amazing showing the husband. This is a great little project. You can make it fresh, you can color it in. The kids could do all kinds of fun stuff with a couple of color pencils, some Sharpies, whatever. This is an easy project. This came from the artist 99% ready to go. I made a couple of adjustments. I changed the words, no big deal. I changed a few other little things, and you can go check it out in the next section of this video where I do the computer part. And I talk about what I changed. I'm going to leave a comment down below, or I'm going to ask the artist to comment down below with a link to their shop. Because I did change the file and I said a few things about the file in the computer section, I'm going to let the artist decide whether or not they choose to share a link to their shop. I hope they do, because I really like this file. And they had a lot of other great files in their shop to share. And they do call this a Glowforge file. So I'm really hoping that they'll listen to some of the things that I said about the file and consider making some adjustments either on this file going forward, or make adjustments to other files as they make them with the adaptations that I mentioned in mind. So fun, quick, easy project, guys. One-day project. Absolutely a great kids project. Absolutely a great present project, and can be renewed and refreshed and enjoyed year-round and forever. Alright. Go have some fun, go make some smoke, get the kids involved in the laser, get the kids involved in crafting and making. Have fun, like, subscribe, enjoy your day. Okay, so we're going to look at both of these designs for a second. The one on your left is the original design by the artist. The one on the right is our modified design. The one on the left is this right here and this, these two pieces. The score is perfect. Everything is lined up. Your cut file is the only part of it that I really had an issue with when you're purchasing this file. If you notice that the center of the flowers cuts out at the same time as the outside. Now, depending on what the Glowforge software, little fairies inside of the software decide to do, it will either cut the insides first or second, and there's no way for us to control that. So after purchasing the file, we went ahead and changed the insides of the circles, or the insides of the flower cutouts, to a separate color, so we can control and make that first. And then we have our score second. We changed the words to an engraved to make them stand out a little bit more. And then we have our cutouts. Now, obviously we bought this because we thought it was really cute and fun. And as we're looking at it, setting it up to run this, and we're changing the colors to make it work a little bit better for the Glowforge, we realized that after putting the flowers in it, it didn't, how do you display this? So we decided to make little tabs in a stand so it would stand up on the counter or windowsill someplace to be pretty. Because otherwise you have to lay it down, and I don't know. I think this is a really cool idea. It's kind of like a little
gift card for Happy Mother's Day. But because we want to be able to a more of a year-round thing, we are doing the I Love You with the stand that will stand up and be pretty to look at from a distance instead of looking straight down at it. So this is sold as a Glowforge file, and it's a pretty good file intended for a Glowforge. The only things that I had an issue with as far as the Glowforge file is inside cuts, then outside cuts. That's just always been a thing for me personally. If you're doing this as a home project, if you're doing this as a personal project, it probably doesn't matter. The holes will be close enough. If you're doing this as a business for selling for repeatability, you're probably going to want to separate out those colors and make it so that you can cut those circles first and have everything line up perfectly and always drop your piece out last. But other than that, this file is set up really nicely for what it was intended to do. If you want to put the tabs in, obviously not too hard. I am sending a copy of this to the original artist prior to the video coming out. So hopefully the artist will have a chance to comment down below and give their opinion and feedback. But like I said, the file is pretty, it's beautiful. None of the changes that I've made to this are significant or would really deter me from buying files from this person again. And they had a lot of other really cute ideas in there. And I think this came with another design. I think there was a watering can as well as the pot. So go check this out, and hopefully the artist will decide to leave a link to their shop down below. As always, because I am saying something less than perfect about the file, I will let the artist decide whether or not they choose to leave a link to their store. If the artist is watching this, I love your files. And this is just my opinion of setting one up for the Glowforge. All right, let's go check this out and see how it runs on the machine. If you're watching this, yes, there is a huge square being cut out of my piece of wood. And if you've watched the video on the wall art for the bathroom and the dining room, you will know why I'm cutting out a big square out of this piece of wood next to this project. All right. You guys have a good day. Go make some smoking lasers. Have fun. Laser on. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Enjoy your day.